Well, hello everybody. Here's the GoPro mic stand mount training video, if you will. I had to figure it out. I'm new to GoPro, but this will mount on your mic stand, and it comes with the adapter for the European thing, so it'll work on the standard mic stand bases, threads, or the European. So this is your case that you need to use with it, and any GoPro mounts in here, and then you use the screw to put in the case. But this unit here is the new mic stand mount, and you have to pull back the rubber on the adapter that hooks to the case. And when you pull back that adapter, it allows the plastic to flex. And I was just looking all over and I couldn't figure it out until I realized that. So what you do is you leave that rubber up, and then you put it in here, and it slides in the grooves and clicks in like that, and then you can put the rubber down and lock it. And now this will obviously mount to your base, and the mic stand hooks in there just fine. Nice adapter for $34. Thanks.